I saw people gathered and they were shouting, "Ha! Hey!" And then I was like, what? Why are they shouting? What happened? Hi, beautiful people. It's your girl Caroline. Welcome to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It is with much excitement I want to make this video. Now, I went out and then while coming back, I was doing what I was doing in town, and I was coming back home, and guess what? The clouds started changing and it became really dark. I was so like, God, I need to get home since it's about to rain. I never knew the downpour was going to be so heavy. So I was on transit when the rain started, and I was like, what? So then the rain was meeting me in the keke napep. I was in the keke napep. But guess what happened? I saw something that really thank you, baby. I saw something that really, made me emotional today. So yes, while coming, at some point when the keke dropped me, I couldn't enter the rain to start coming home. I had to stay under a filling station because of the pavements that will cover me against the rain falling, so I won't get wet like a wet chicken. Speaking of wet chicken, that is the main purpose of this video. So while I was coming, the drizzles were just very few. I started coming home. Now, you guys, what I saw. I saw people gathered and they were shouting, "Ha! Hey!" And then I was like, what? Why are they shouting? What happened? So I cornered cornered somewhere to observe what is happening. Do I have to run? You know, now, this world these days, you have to be at alert. So I shifted to one side to observe what was happening. Why are they shouting, "Hey, ha!" And then I realized that humans are beautiful. They still have humanity in them. You know, the world. Okay, let me just continue what I'm saying, then I'll talk about that later. Now, the rain started falling, and now the water in the gutters was still much, and it was going wooba wooba. Okay, wooba wooba, whatever. So it was going so high, and I saw a chicken standing, and people were gathered around there shouting, "Ah, ah!" And the chicken stood. And people were like, what happened? Someone said there were two chickens there, and one fell. The water coming through the gutters, like serious erosion, because the gutters used to get full in that area, and then start even pouring to the road, like it was with so much force that the water carried one of the chicken. And this other chicken stood there observing, trying to look for the second one, and it was still at risk of danger. Now the water took this one and left. That one can't survive because the water was so much. It's like drowned. That one is automatically drowned. And then people were like, this chicken should live there. That the water is still very full and you can take it. But this chicken still stood looking for its second. Guess what happened next? The water took it. People started screaming, "Ah!" And it was just in my front. I was just at that point. The water took it. I was just like, oh. I felt so bad for this chicken. And the owners were there. They to put their hand on their head. Everybody were just, guess what? Human beings are beautiful. As soon as water, everybody, after shouting like that, the next thing, some people said, let's try to save it. Let's try to save it. So at the end of each gutter, there is like a hole that the water will pass through. People started running to each hole, trying to save the chicken. They started running to each end of the gutter to try to save the chicken. The water took the chicken. The chicken will enter into the water. We won't see the chicken. Next thing come out, like the water was taking it. People dip hand at each end, try to carry it. The first end, the people had started running down just to save the chicken. Now, people dip their hand. Hey, all of you, come out of there. Those are my kids. They are playing to where they shouldn't go to. So now, people dip their hand, trying to catch the chicken, but no, the water took it past. The next thing, people ran to the other side, trying to get the chicken. The water took it the third side, where people had already run to. Guess what happened? Someone's hand was able to grab the chicken. The person risked himself being carried by the water because that water is massive. It will be serious danger if it carries the person. And then he carried the chicken. And all of us started screaming, "Ooh!" What is the moral of this lesson? In a world where you have had so much bitter experience by people you love, by people around you, and it seems the world is too corrupt, there's still humanity in everyone. Like that man risked his life, his safety, just to save that chicken. You know, I should have captured the whole scenario. In fact, I captured the water. I was like, this water is really much. Let me capture it and show my husband how much the gutters were full. I didn't know there was a drama happening. So after capturing it, I kept my phone in my bag. But seeing the whole situation, I didn't even remember to capture it. But then, faith in humanity. People are still kind. People are still nice. Please don't think the world is full of toxic people. Take care of yourself. Be careful. But don't believe everyone is bad. And he took the chicken. He took the chicken because before he went to try to carry the chicken, he already pulled off his clothes. And he took the chicken and started bouncing like this. And I was like, you deserve the bounce. No, you are too much. You guys, it always touches me when I see people act this way. So don't lose faith in humanity. Humanity is still beautiful. People are still wonderful to behold. People are still sweet. You guys, give life a chance again. Thank you for watching. Can you share this video to make someone's day, or to inspire someone, or to just lift someone's mood? And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Now, please like this video. What happens is, when you like this video, YouTube gets the signal. People like this video, they show it to more people. And when they show it to more people are inspired. More people come into our channel too, which benefits us. And, you know, it's a win-win. Don't forget to share this video. Share it, or just click the share button down below. Share it on your WhatsApp. Share the link. Share, add the comments. Make people come. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye. Oh God. What a beautiful day.